We're live, baby. Good morning, good morning. Once again, we are live. Today is Thursday. We've had some very good days. These past couple of days have been pretty good. Let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. We're live, baby. Good morning, good morning. We got 10 minutes till the market opens here. What's cracking? Good morning, good morning. Where my people at? Got some pretty nice momentum. We might be able to break this. Might be able to break this zone here. So there's a few things that I'm watching, right? We just bounced off of 43.94, which has been a level that we've been respecting these last couple of days. Bounced off of it very aggressively. In the grand scheme of things, if you go to the high time frames, it's a very strong rejection. A lot of volume went through. So we have some pretty nice momentum. We're making higher highs now. The level now, if we can get above 44.21, bulls would be in control, right? There's a 1 hour supply zone there. In fact, let's mark it down here. That way you guys can see that level. So at 44.19, we have a 1 hour demand supply zone. 1 hour supply zone. I'd want to see how price reacts as we get to that level, right? But if you also look, these last 2 days we've been stuck in a range. Now maybe it's not a range. I feel like 2 days is not really a long time, but we are stuck in between daily support and daily supply. Daily support is at 43.85 and daily supply is at 44.40. Daily support, and then if I go all the way up here, daily supply. So just something worth considering. Right, so theoretically, if we are in a range, and if we're in a sideways range, we wouldn't want to place any trades in the middle. And guess what? We're in the middle right now. So it makes it a little difficult. However, I really like this really nice strong rejection here. That's made higher highs. You guys can clearly see that we've made higher highs. Let's see if this 44.08 can hold. Now it's tempting to get in pre-market, right? I trade futures as well, so I could technically get in right now if I wanted to. But man, do I rarely do that. So I don't really want to test something out. I prefer to just wait. There's no rush into getting into a trade. So I think it's better off if we just wait, see what the market does in these last few minutes, and we'll go from there. To the people that have hopped on, thank you very much once again. I love to see new faces, so stop by whenever you can. We're live streaming every single day, dude. I take this very seriously. This is what I do. I take this very seriously. So, you'll find me here every single day putting in work. The screen time is what really sharpens your skill. The more screen time you can get, the better, especially starting off. Especially as a beginner, you have to. All right, let's get it. We're connected. Now, there's a few other things that I wanted to point out. So, looking here at the 10-minute, as you guys can tell, these levels that we've approached, 44.10, 44.12. We're gonna find a little bit of resistance there, but I think we could potentially break past it. Let's see if 44.08 can hold. All right, you guys see that shaded area? Let's see if that area can hold and make higher highs here. We had a pretty strong rejection up here in this 44.20 level. Right, so I'm gonna wait. Even if this level can hold, even if this level holds, I'm gonna go ahead and wait. I'm gonna wait until price gets to this 44.20 level and see how it reacts. If we break past that level, again, it's a bullish indication. Buyers will be in control. However, if we reject, then I think we could potentially have a nice short opportunity. We'll see, or maybe a pullback. If we reject, we might be in for a nice pullback. We got 4 minutes till the market opens here. Let's get this thing going, man. I'm excited. I am very, very excited. Let's get it started. I like this 44.08 level. It seems like it may hold. We're not seeing a strong rejection off of these levels. Let's get it started. Yo, Cam, what's going on, bro? It's good to see you. Bro, it's going great, man. We keep making progress. I'm like $1,000 away from from getting funded. I think 2 days ago I had like 2 killer trades. I made, I think, close to 2,600 in that account. Yesterday we broke even. We were up at one point, but then we broke even. But man, it's been going great, dude. I like the volatility. I've told you before, man. When the market's moving, that's when my strategy thrives. So how are you doing, man? How's NQ treating you? See if this 44.08 level can hold here. All right, we're gonna open any minute now, any second now. Let's do it, baby. Damn, you got 4 other evals? That's insane, bro. That's amazing. Look at that 44.08 level holding. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Let's see. Let's see if it can hold. We do have, I'm not getting into this play. I'm not getting into this play because we do have an opposing zone here, so I'm just trying to gauge the market right now. But this is going to act as resistance here. I mean support, and then we're going to have resistance up here. But this one's looking good to the upside. There it is. You know what? I'm going to take a stab at it right at, if we can get down to 44.10, I'm going to go in for longs. I'm going to go in for calls. I need to see 44.10. All right, let's do it.
Order filled.
Stop loss is at 44.07. Order filled. You guys heard that? 44.07. Come on, I need you to hold, baby. We saw a lot of absorption. We're seeing a lot of absorption. Come on, let's get it. I like that this level held here and then we broke past this little level here. Come on. Come on, my baby. My stop loss is at 44.07. We are in for calls. We're going long. We got to break past. I just don't like that the strong rejection we had at 44.12, but we are uptrending, so I have to look to the upside. And we are being supported by VWAP here. There's a few confluences, right? But if we get below 44.07, I'm going to have to invalidate this trade here. It's having a hard time. I don't like it. Come on. Once we get above 44.10, I'll be able to breathe. Get up there, get up there. I like that there's someone absorbing a bunch of orders here at 44.08. Sellers keep trying to push it down, but they can't get past that 44.08. I hope I don't jinx it here. Ooh, we're coming close to that 44.07. I want to see buyers just keep holding this level here. Ooh. Ooh. It's a tug of war right here. It's a tug of war. Not gonna lie, I feel a little anxious, but I think it's looking pretty good. If we can get above 44.10, break past our anchored VWAP here, I think we'll be good. But there it is. Come on. It is a tug of war right now. I was expecting this level to hold here. But good thing we have this level here too. So, I'm not risking too much. 44.07 is my stop loss. Got in at 44.10. But we do have quite a few confluences, right? We're uptrending, had a very strong rejection down here. We're above VWAP. The only issue is this 44.12 level. That's the only concern there. If we can break past that, we'll be good. I see a lot of sellers coming in, but they can't bring price down. So that's a really good sign. I'm still holding my breath. I hope this doesn't go for too long. Once we get above 44.12, I'll be able to breathe. Come on now. Let's go, baby. Come on. It just needs a little bit of encouragement. That's all. You just got to talk to her nice. Come on now. Get up there. Get up there. It's okay. No need to be worried. Just get up there. There you go. Very good. There you go. You see? It works. All right, so 44.12. I don't want to see another strong rejection here. I need to see continuation. Come on, let's go, baby. We are up 2 points here. There you go. Amazing. Amazing. I jinxed it. Wow, big seller just stepped in. Bars are doing amazing holding this thing up. We just keep seeing a lot of sellers stepping in, but buyers are doing a great job holding price. They're holding it down right now. They're definitely holding it down. Very nice candle here. Pretty bullish candle. So originally my level was at 44.08. We respected that, and now we're making higher highs here. Let's go, baby. 44.19. I'm sure we can hit 44.19. You guys know I like to trim at 10 points. So once we get to 44.19, I'm gonna have to trim some. You're doing amazing. You're doing amazing. Don't stop now. Shit, I ain't stopping you. Do your thing. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing. Okay. 44.16. 44.16 might be a little pain in the ass, but I think we can. We've already broken past 44.14, so it gives me the confidence. To it gives me confidence. Yeah, let's get it. Come on, let's get 44.19. That way I can trim. I just want to get in and out. Just go in and out. Boom, boom. Thank you for liking the video. I appreciate you guys. We are currently in calls, baby. We're up 6 points from where we got in. 44.19, 44.10 was where we got in. We went as low as 44.08, but buyers did a great job holding that level, man. Fingers on the trigger here. All right, I submitted.
Order filled.
All right, we got out there. I have one more contract. So I trade both futures and options, and I think we can hit 44.20, but my level is at 44.19, so I'm gonna just respect that, and I'm gonna put my stop loss right below 44.15. Why not? Right, so that's for my second position. Right, if it gets below 44.15, then I'm gonna have to get out. But this is looking amazing. Who got in? Do I have someone who got in? Nope, I'm the only one here, so no one else got in. Once we break past 44.20, let's call it 44.21, then I'm gonna have to move my stop loss just a tad bit. We have quite a few sellers here at 44.21. You know what I like about this one? I mean, although we have quite a few sellers here lined up at 44.21, I guess maybe I spoke too soon, but I was gonna say there's not a lot of volume coming in. "13 minutes into the market, we're already making money. Let's go, baby. Let's go." Yo, Top Comp, did you capitalize on that move? I like that name, by the way. I haven't told you that, but Top Comp, I like it. Trading Gear might have to sponsor you, dude. Hey, let's go. Come on. Dude, if we can break past 44.21, that's going to be amazing. That's going to be amazing. Yeah, same here, dude. I'm holding a couple runners here. I did have to lock in some profits when we got to 44.19. But this one's looking pretty juicy. In fact, I might move. I might move my stop loss a little higher. You see these. You see these little rejections here. I'm gonna move it right there. 44.22. We're gonna crack that thing. Let's go, baby. Let's just break past that. I'm moving my stop loss 44.20. I'm gonna just keep making adjustments here. If we get to 44.25, then I'm gonna move my stop loss there. Once we break past 44.25, I'm gonna move my stop loss there. This is looking really good. I mean, yeah, we're seeing a few strong rejections, but it's I'm not concerned, honestly. Once we break past 44.25, I'm gonna just move my stop loss right underneath that, and I'm happy with a 15-point move here. I am very happy with this 15-point move. Man, and honestly, this has the characteristics of just a really nice run. I don't know if there's anything else stopping it, really. 44.25, of course, we're going to see a little bit of resistance there. But, shoot, I mean, maybe 44.28 might be another good target. 44.28. I just want to get in and now. That's how I know I can't really be a swing trader, even though we are practicing the skill. But for me, this is so much better because you just lock in your money, you're done for the day, and you don't have to worry about a position going against you. You know what I mean? That's just me though. But all right, I'm gonna move my stop loss right underneath. Oh yes, 44.25. I'm moving it underneath 44.25. I think we're gonna hit 44.28. I'm gonna just slightly move it to 44.26. Bam. I'm okay with taking profits there, honestly. Stop loss is at 44.26. 44.28 has just been hit. Let's go. Let's go. Sheesh. 18 minutes into the market and we just caught an 18-point rally. That's amazing. Stop fill, baby. Shit. I'm hyped. I'm probably being a little too loud. I got my roommate sleeping right next to me here, but let's go. Let's go. 18 minutes into the market open, and we already capitalized on an 18-point move. Y'all need to hop on. Shit. So look at that 44.28 level. Smack that thing perfectly. And we do have quite a bit of sellers there. But this has the characteristics of, just continue to rip to the upside. Honestly, I just want to secure my gains, right? 18 points, I'll take that. I'll take that. But look, we're going to hit 44.30 here. $44.30, there it is, man. Ah, that's amazing. I think I might have just completed my hit that target for my Apex account. Sheesh, once I get funded, it's game over, dude. Once I get funded, game set match. Dude, this has the characteristics of just ripping to 44.40. That's going to be insane if we get to that. Let's go, baby. I'm funded. I'm funded. I'm funded. We just hit. We just hit. Yo, Cam, you still here, dude? Man, what I tell you, this has the characteristics of just ripping to the upside. I'm happy though. I ain't even I don't even care if I left money on the table. Top comp, you still in the play? Cause if you are, man, my hat's off to you, dude. Dude, don't even look at it that way. Don't even look at it that way. We did an amazing job executing. We played our levels, right? We had a little bit of resistance. We had some resistance here at 44.20. It's all good, my boy. It's all good. We got to toss that mentality away. I used to have that same mentality. Toss it away, bro. We played the levels. Because had it reversed at 44, because right here, looking at Bookmap, we had a lot of people at 44.28. We had a lot of people at 44.28. Had it reversed, we would have been devastated. Right? So don't even trip, dude. Let me see. 18-point move, baby. That's insane. That's whew. Whew. That play alone on the futures account, 1,600. Not bad. 1,600. We made close to 300 on the options account. but we're funded, baby. We just hit the profit target, and shit, I'm excited. Excuse me. What an amazing play, man. Honestly, an open like this is very rare. Like for it to just run up like this, fucking shred. Thank you. Congrats to you too, man. We both executed. That's what's up. Yo, an open like this is very rare, right? But when I was looking at the tape in the beginning, I just saw a bunch of sellers stepping in. Bunch of sellers, big red bubbles, but the but price wasn't going anywhere, right? That's what I'm trying to explain. Like this is a concept you have to understand is if there's so many orders being absorbed and price isn't going anywhere, all those sellers that are going in are gonna go underwater once price moves the other way, right? So all those shorts, right? They were trying to short, but we had buyers just holding their ground, playing defense. Once buyers got price to go up, all those shorts now they now have to buy to cover. So man, it just fueled a fucking incredible rally. We are officially funded. Okay, let me do that one more time. Let me do that one more time. Amazing. Amazing, bro. Well, look, I don't have anything right now. We're gonna see how 4440 reacts. Man, if we break past that, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be a crazy rip to the upside. Um, sheesh. Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy rip to the upside. Think I might be seeing something that I like here. Let me see. Let me see what's up. Okay. So we hit 44.33. We saw sellers stepping in. Now we've made a higher high and we're seeing sellers step in again. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, very strong rejection up here. Very, very strong rejection up here. Very interesting. Made a downward move. Down. Okay. I'm going to keep an eye on this one because this may present, it may. I know how ridiculous this sounds, but it may present a good shorting opportunity. But we're going to see, we're going to let the market develop here. I like that we're playing defense here. Play defense here. We made a higher high. We played some stronger defense. Alright, so this has the characteristics of a reversal here. I just need to wait and see if we can form. Now, if we break past this high here, then I'm gonna invalidate this. Ignore this zone here. I'm gauging. Yeah, we missed quite a bit of money. We left a lot of money on the table, but I'm okay. We're okay. Man, we call that thing perfectly. To the T, bro. 4408. Golly. I'm impressed. I'm gonna tell you, just a few months back, I was not able to do that. It's crazy how much how fast and how much you elevate by just putting in the work. Yeah. What does Snoop Dogg say? I thank me. I thank me for putting in the work. I mean, God above all, but man, you have to give yourself credit once in a while. Give credit when it's due, man. If you're putting in the work, yeah. Down, up, down. So we're playing defense up here. 44-37. We're playing defense. Seeing a lot of strong rejections up here. I'm gonna just draw a few lines here. Right, so that's a 5-minute range there. Interesting. And this keeps just running. This thing just keeps running up. I have not seen something like this in a while. This thing just keeps running, God. You know what, Top Comp? I think we might have gone out a little too early. I'm just messing, but we played our levels. But I did say this had the characteristics to continue to run to the upside. I did say that, so maybe I should have let that free runner do its thing. All right, pretty nice rejection up here at 44.40. We have a lot of buyers. I mean, a lot of sellers here at 44.41. Man, if we break past this, that's gonna be insane, dude. That's gonna be insane if we break past this. Yo, 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 we are trading the ES, man. Had you gotten here a little earlier, you would have capitalized on an 18-point move. Man, we from here, let's go back a little bit. Let's go back memory lane. Look, dude, we got in here. I called this thing right to the T. 44.08. I wanted 44.08 to hold. Got in at 44.10. Came down to 44.08. It held. We just held that thing up to 44.28. Of course, we left some money on the table, but just a phenomenal move, man. What a fucking great trade. I haven't seen the market do this, but when the market opened, there was just so much selling coming through and price couldn't make lower lows. And we put all those sellers underwater and we just ran up, dude. We just ran up. Right now, I want to see if maybe we can potentially come down. I mean, I don't even know where I would. I need to let the market develop here. So we'll see how this reacts, right? We're seeing a pretty strong rejection here at 44.40. That's a key level. It's daily supply. We bounced off of it already once. But if we see the right characteristics, I'm open to shorting this, right? Just not on the first move. Let's see if maybe we can get like a nice strong move to the downside, then like a counter, and then continuation to the downside. I'd be open. Like a down, up, down move, something like that, if that makes sense. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Run it, run it, it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo, we're live streaming every single day. We start 10 minutes before the market opens. I haven't missed a day. Actually, I take that back. There was one time where I had technical difficulties, but other than that, man, we're on here every single day. So don't miss out. Don't miss out, man. Cause yeah, that's all I got. run it. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Man, what a fucking great trade. Anyways, look, I'm gonna go make myself some tea. I'll be back in just a few minutes. But before I go, this is something that I'm watching here. I'm watching 4440. As you guys can tell, we had a really strong rejection. We had a really strong rejection, and it is a key level. It is a key level, right? So what I want to see is, some strong selling step through, a little counter move, and then go down some more. So a lower low, a low, a high, and a lower low. Very simple. So that's what I'm looking out for. I'll be right back. What did we miss? Okay, I like that. I like that strong aggression that stepped in. We're seeing a counter move, just like I told you guys. I'd be open to taking this short, 44.32. I would go lighter size though, but I also need to see this. I would go lighter size here, just because we are kind of going against the trend. But what I do like about everything that just happened here, like we don't have a significant demand zone, right? When we see moves like this where it just went straight up, oftentimes it's followed by a straight down move. You know what I mean? But then there's a level here that I did highlight earlier, and that's where we bounced off of. So let's see if we can. I'm starting to see some selling stepping in. I'm gonna go lighter size on this one as we break past 44.32. Can you turn it off for me, baby girl? So I like the aggression that's stepping in here. We're playing defense up here. This is a key level, right? We're playing defense. Break past 44.32. The level after that we need to break is 44.29. And what we can do too is, I don't know if it'll go straight down, right? This could just be a pullback, but we'll put these Fibonacci's on here. We'll target 44.24 as the first one. I'm sorry, I didn't even draw that right, but it's still the same target for the 50% retracement. Right, so 44.24 is the first target. Second target is 44.20. If we get in at 44.32, that's a nice, 10.8 point move. I'm actually just gonna because we didn't form any demand zones. We have a lot of strong bullish candles, but we didn't form any demand zones. Not something I really wanted to see here. I wanted to see a strong break past this. $44.39 was when we rejected yesterday. Tempest, I'll explain that concept to you right now in a little bit, okay? If you're still here, let me know if you're still here. I'll explain the shorting concept to you. I'll make it very simple. You'll understand it. All right, cool. Just stay put, dude. I'll explain it right now. Let me just figure this out real quick, because there could be a potential opportunity here. And top comp yesterday we rejected. I just checked. We rejected right. Cool, cool, cool. What did we reject yesterday? 44.39 was where we rejected. So we didn't even hit 44.40. 44.39 was where we rejected. Similar to this morning, we're seeing a lot of buyers trying to bring price up. They've already tried one time, twice, three times. This is their third time. Let's see if they're successful at it. They're successful at it this time. They did put a higher high. Okay. So if we reject off of this aggressively, this is a red flag for buyers. Imagine we would have held on to that position. Jeez Louise. We would have banked crazy. Alright, I'm gonna give this just a few more minutes. Let's see what happens within the next few minutes. What did we miss? Okay, nice, pretty strong rejection here. We're seeing a little bit of we're seeing some aggression stepping in. Let me look at the 10-minute here. What's happening in the 10-minute? Okay. Kind of like that zone. If we can break past that zone here, this 44.34 level with some aggression. I need some aggression this time around. Alright. We're going to go lighter size here. 44.34 has to break. I'm seeing some aggression stepping in. And the reason I'm going lighter size is because I'm not yet in. I gotta see a break below it. The reason I'm going lighter size is because we are going against the trend. Like we just had a massive uptrend, so I want to respect that. Stop loss would be like at 44, maybe about right there. Got a break below it. I already like the way it's behaving. I like it. Alright, I'm hopping in this.
Order filled.
I'm hopping in this. Order failed. Let's go. We're going in shorts. Come on. So we're in 44.34. I definitely don't want to see it get back above here. I got in too early. $44.37 is my stop loss. Let's hope for the best. I know something about you. Come on, let's break past it. Come on. There you go. Alright, let's break past it. I don't like how we found this little uptick here, but let's see if we can break past that. We're in for shorts. I want to get in. I want to see this thing break past that 44.34 level. And once again, we're going light size on this one because we are going against the trend, which I guess means it is technically a lower probability setup, right? If I had complete confidence in it, I wouldn't. I would go in full size, but I like that we've hit a key level here, and I like what's happening. I just like the price movements here, so I just don't like how price is reacting right now. I wanted to see a strong break. We saw a nice aggression here, back-to-back red candles. We just got to see a strong break past this. I don't like to see it consolidate too much. Come on, girl, don't be shy. Just, there you go. Come on now. There you go. Very good. Very well done. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Let's break past 44.30. Let's break past 44.30. Come on. We got to break past that. That's going to be that's the level I'm worried about. 44.30. God damn, if this works out, we're calling it a day, you guys. I want to hit 44.24. That's going to be my first target. I mean, we're due for a pullback. Like, we had such a fucking crazy run up. We're due for a pullback. Now, we already capitalized on this beginning play, which is why, again, I don't want to overexpose myself here, which is why I'm going light size. Yeah, that 44.30 level, pretty strong rejection there. Let's see if our level can hold. That 44.30 level was the only level I was concerned about, and this is why I was concerned about it. Price doesn't just go straight up and straight down, so let's see if our level can hold. Great. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to take this small little L here. don't think this is gonna work out.
Stop filled.
Damn. Okay. That 44.30 level, I knew it was gonna be tough to crack. All right, cool. Well, we're just following the setup. If I see something worth taking, I'm gonna take it. We risked 3 points, you guys. We risked 3 points. That's totally okay. Now, I guess we're gonna have to hold off here because we do have, obviously, buying is just very strong here. So we'll hold off for now, let the market develop. But we had someone on the chat who had a question. He said, how does shorting work? Okay, so I'm gonna just give you an example, dude. So let's just say, and before I proceed, are you still here? Are you listening? I'm gonna tell you exactly how shorting works in simple terms, in layman's terms, so that you understand. Cool. So let's say, I don't know, you have a hat, right? Let's say you have a hat and I want to borrow your hat, right? You let me borrow your hat, so now my only obligation to you is to return that hat, right? I got to return the same hat. So let's say I borrow your hat, but then as you turn your back, I sell it to someone. Let's say I sell it for 20 bucks. Okay, great. I sell your hat for 20 bucks, but now I use those 20 bucks to go buy the same hat. And let's say that I find that same hat for 10 bucks. So now I use the 20 that I made off of your hat to go buy the $10 hat, which is the same. It's the same hat. You won't spot a difference. So now I use 20 bucks, buy that $10 hat, and I return you your hat. That's essentially what you're doing when you're shorting. Does that make sense? A broker is letting you borrow stock or shares at a certain price so that you can go sell them. You sell them, but then you have to buy them back. And obviously the goal there is you sell high. So just like I sold your hat at 20 bucks, I sold it high and then I bought it back low. And that's how you make money. You make the difference. Pretty simple, right? Let me know if you have questions. I like it when you guys ask questions. That's literally what the live streams are for. So I'm borrowing shares at a certain price, right? I borrowed your hat and I was able to sell it at 20. I was able to sell it at 20 and then I bought it back at 10. So obviously, how does that relate to the market? Well, if I sell here, that means the broker is letting me borrow shares or whatever's. So that's shorting. That's shorting in its essence. But then if we get into puts, you can also make money off of puts, right? Which is a little more complicated than shorting. You know what I didn't realize? Oh my god. I'm kind of silly, honestly, for making this mistake. Supported here. I know not to go against the trend, so that was my fault. Honestly, I'm going back and looking at how things transpired, and honestly, I should have looked to the upside. That was my fault because I was looking at the downside. Like, yeah, we were playing defense. We were playing defense up here, right? Sellers were playing defense, but we were also playing defense down here. And I guess I didn't really grasp what was happening down here as much as I did up here, but we were playing defense down here. Right, we bounced off of this here. We came down again, played some more defense. And then we broke past this. Yeah. Up, up, down, up. Yeah. Play defense here. Up, down, up. Yeah. Don't go against the trend, you guys. The trend is your friend till the bend at the end. Hello there, mate. I'm glad to see the same faces, you guys. Thank you for showing up. I appreciate you guys. I've said this before. There's gonna be a day where there's thousands of people in here, and I'm only gonna remember the first ones that were showing up. You guys mean the most. So thank you once again for showing up and showing love. Yeah, Tempest, no one's gonna explain it to you like that. I'm here to help you guys out, right? They're gonna give you a complicated answer. No, I'm here to make these things simple so that you guys can understand them. Because I was once in your position. I once didn't understand what shorting was either until they explained it to me. But then I put two and two together and I was like, oh, okay, you're making money on the difference, right? You sell and then you buy back. You make money on the difference. That's it. But if you're still a little confused, Google, the homie Google can help you out too. And there's several videos covering shorting and puts too. You can make money when the stock goes down by buying puts. So that's something that you could look into too. But we do both. We buy options, we buy puts, we buy calls, and we sell and we buy futures. So we have sellers down here. They just keep playing defense. Buying a put is like betting against the market. Buying a put, you're betting that the stock is gonna go down. That's it. You're not betting. I mean, I don't know if you're betting against the market, but you are betting that the stock is gonna go down. But I mean, you could say the same thing about shorting. Shorting is basically you're betting that stocks can go down because that's the only way you make money. If it goes down, you make money off of puts. You make money off of shorts. Only if it goes down. I see this level holding here. Once again, we keep playing defense up here. That's why I was convinced that we were gonna make lower lows here, but we couldn't. Um, Downtrend, counter, boom. But we're also testing this level here. Right, so when there's two opposing zones like this, honestly, I would just go with the trend on this one. Somebody come get her. Ah shit. Hey, I appreciate it. No one has complimented my logo except for you, so thank you very much. I made that thing myself. Adobe Illustrator came through, but I made that thing myself, dude. I put a lot of time into it. A lot of time into it, so thank you. Damn. Game recognized game. That's what's up. That's what's up. Shit, you put a smile on my face, dog. Thank you for that. I honestly, you're the first one to compliment my logo. Thank you. Yeah, so that zone was supported there. All right, playing defense. Boom, we came down. So this is what I'm talking about when we're playing defense, right? So we played defense here, right? This was like our first major pullback on this uptrend. We played defense there, and then we played defense here, right? And this lower low strong rejection, it it gives you a whole lot of confirmation, right? So we played defense here, we played defense there, and then we break past an opposing zone. So there's a lot to explain, but I'm in the process of making guides, trading guides that walk that would walk you through my trading strategy, what to look for in the overall time frames, and how to like the playbook. Like that's literally how I identified this 18-point move down here, just by just by following that. And I've simplified it to where you'll understand it, even for people that are beginners, right? They'll understand it and they'll make it super simple. There's so many strategies that make it very difficult to trade, right? They don't really tell you where to enter, they don't tell you your exit, and then a lot of the times you're risking a lot of points. Like that's one of the things that my edge is, I don't risk a lot, right? My edge was, I may have gone in here into this trade here. It didn't work out like I wanted to, but I only risked 3 points. Same thing here, right? This is really the most I need to risk because I can pinpoint exactly where the market's gonna pivot. So we had a zone here, and this is the zone that price respected. Anything below that, I'm invalidating the trade. But timing and pinning out the right zone is super important. So like I said, I have guides. I have about 7, 8 guides already completed. I'm gonna make like 2 more, and you guys will get access to those. No, I'm not short, dude. No, 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 no. I'm not short. I have no reason to be short right now. No, it makes it. I already made that mistake once, right? So market doesn't want to go any lower. This probably would have been the better opportunity here at 44.35, but we're also like in this range here, so I don't really see a lot of upside potential here. So I'm gonna be here for another 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna bounce out of here. If we get a trade, great. If we don't, then I'll be back here tomorrow. You guys know I'm here every single day, 10 minutes before the market opens. I want to see the same faces, you guys. I want to see the same faces on here. That's the only way you're gonna learn. If you really want to take this serious, and I know that a lot of you here want to take this serious because you guys haven't left. You guys have been here the whole entire session. If you really want to take this serious and elevate your game, then you have to do this every single day. That's the only way I got better. I've been grinding so hard. I've been grinding so hard. Like yesterday I'm up at 5 every single day. Okay, I got to get ready, got to do some mobility, got to get in the right space of mind, in the right state of mind, excuse me. And man, I didn't stop looking at the charts till like 5 or 6 p.m. in the evening. Like I was just I'm back testing. I'm constantly confirming and building confidence, building conviction over my strategy. And then trying to simplify it too. Simplify it to where I can explain the beginner. I can explain it to someone brand new to trading, like this is how you do it, right? Like that's how much you want to simplify it. And you could, trust me. When you think you can't simplify it anymore, you can simplify it more. I got 5 viewers on here, but only 4 likes. I'd appreciate it if you liked the video. Like the video. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Quintessential. We keep making higher highs here. Showing down move, counter, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Don't go against the trend, you guys. I just keep looking at the trade that I placed, and honestly I should have been looking the other way instead of going short. Just the strength in this trend is way too much. All right. The strength is way too much. That little zone was tagged perfectly to the T. The algorithm appreciates you. Thank you to that 5th like. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's super light. Yeah, this was the better play here for sure. I just keep looking over this one. And you guys do realize why, right? Like I said, defense. Down, up, down. Up, down, up. Yeah, that was the much better play, honestly. I wouldn't.
I won't be home until 7:30.
Food will be ready.
Okay.
All right, then, baby. Have a good day.
Okay.
We keep seeing a lot of selling coming through. You're funny, dude. You're funny, Tempest. Looking bullish. The goat. The goat said it's looking bullish. Where should we get in, the goat? Let us know. Where's the entry? The goat. I'll wait for you, for you. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. Yo, I got 2 more likes. Don't tell me that's you, Tempest. Wait, it is you. It is you. I just noticed. You have freaking guy. How many accounts do you have? Tempest. Don't tell me you have. That's hilarious, dude. That's funny. Don't tell me you have another one with 2 S's, and then another one with 4 S's, and then another one with 5 S's. Freaking guy. That's what's up. I appreciate you, dude. I think this might be the most liked video. We normally get about 4 or 5 likes, but shit. We got 7 likes. That's a new world record right there. Let's get this money. We already did, dude. You're a little late to the party, not gonna lie. Right now, I mean, if I'm being honest, it's hard for me to it's hard for me to go long at these highs, man. Like, we had a fucking great move in the morning. Um, I'm I'd be a little cautious longing up here because we are at the highs, we are at a daily supply zone, and we just keep selling, like stepping in very aggressively. So I don't know if it's gonna reverse. I'm a trader, not a market wizard. I don't predict the future, but I could tell you we are seeing a lot of selling right now. But buyers are doing an amazing job holding this. That's what's up. Yeah, no, I mean, I appreciate you guys coming out. We got 10 likes. Damn, that's definitely a record. That's what's up. That's what's up. Appreciate you guys. Man, I might have to go on my other accounts and like this video too. You guys are funny, dude. Locked in at 44.38. Oh, nice little entry there, dude. Nice little entry there. And we got 11. Let's see if we can get to 20 likes. You guys start texting your mom. Let her know to like the video. She doesn't have to stay and watch. Just tell her to like the video. I'm about to text mine right now. Let's get to it. We're gonna like this video. One more, why not? Bam. We got 13 likes. Jesus Christ. You guys didn't really text your mom. I was kidding about that. You guys didn't have to text your mom. I'm just. That's funny. There it goes. Man, that. I'm mad that I went against the trend. This was our entry right here. At 44.35, we were supported by a psychological level. That was our entry. Good trade. Good trade, the GOAT. You might be the GOAT. Good freaking trade. We're going to invalidate this supply zone here because, damn, we just keep ripping to the upside. Dude, I have not. It's been a while since I've seen a day like this. And you know what the scary thing is? We've had several weeks like this. You go to the weekly chart. Here, let's navigate the weekly chart just for a little bit. Look how bullish we've been, dude. It's insane. And honestly, we're due for a pullback. I'm surprised that 440 level, 44. What level was it? 4440 level didn't hold. But then after that, we have a weekly rejection at 4500. And shoot, if we break above that, like, that's gonna be a milestone. If we break above 4500, it's gonna be incredibly bullish. But I think we are due for a pullback. We're gonna be seeing one. Who knows when? But we've been going up way too much. $44.35. Yep, that was the play right there. Take pictures of this. down, up. 41, up, down, up, down, up. We had some really strong volume here in this area. I'm not looking to get in, honestly. I'm gonna I think I'm gonna call it, you guys. Please don't make 30 other accounts, Tempest. You don't have to do that. I appreciate you, Doug. That's funny. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for showing love. Once again, we are trading live every single morning before the market opens, 10 minutes before the market opens. So hop on, dude. Hop on. Freaking guy. You're funny, Tempest. All right, dude. I'm gonna call it. Thank you guys once again. Getting this video up to 14 likes. That's a milestone for me. So thank you guys. Uh, I'm gonna just call it, you guys. I'm happy with what we made today, and we'll be back here tomorrow. Peace, peace, peace. Actually, before we end it, I gotta take a picture. This is funny, man. I'm gonna remember this. All right, deuces, you guys. Have I not ended the stream or what?